King Charles will visit a cancer hospital to meet patients and staff in a determined bid to do his bit and spread awareness of the disease. For decades, Charles has taken a specific interest in the treatment of cancer, and he now intends to bring his campaigning zeal to highlight the battle to find a cure for what he once called this beastly disease. In the first major health update since his cancer diagnosis in February, Buckingham Palace said the 75-year-old will shortly return to public-facing duties after a period of treatment and recuperation following recent cancer diagnosis. The palace added that his medical team is very encouraged by the progress made so far and remains positive about the king's continued recovery. To mark the milestone, the king and queen will visit a cancer hospital to meet patients and staff on Tuesday in a bid to spread awareness and become a leading campaigner on the issue. He will seek to highlight how you can continue to live and work even during cancer treatment. Charles has long taken a specific interest in the treatment of cancer and has always shown his support for cancer patients and charities. He has met hundreds of people suffering from the disease and has been patron of Macmillan Cancer Support for more than 25 years. The king is also patron of several other cancer charities, including Marie Curie Cancer Care and Breast Cancer Now. The engagement on Tuesday, his first public-facing engagement since January 7th, will raise awareness of the importance of early diagnosis and will highlight some of the innovative research, supported by Cancer Research UK, which is taking place at the hospital. Charles's decision to openly share his cancer diagnosis with the public was widely praised and triggered a King Charles effect, a surge in visits to cancer information and support websites nationwide. In the 24 hours following the palace announcement, searches for NHS advice on the disease increased by 51%. Macmillan also saw a 42% jump in hits to its website on the day of the announcement. 2 days after his cancer diagnosis was revealed, Age shared the charity's message on social media, urging others in his position to reach out for support. In an early sign that the king would use his diagnosis to help further the cause of various cancer charities in the long term. In a speech at a Macmillan event 25 years ago, Charles spoke about the need to rewrite the rhetoric of cancer and to destroy the myths and misconceptions which block understanding and paralyze action. Charles's visit to the hospital will mark the resumption of a more fulsome schedule this summer. His treatment program will continue, with a Buckingham Palace spokesman saying, "Doctors are sufficiently pleased with the progress made so far that the king is now able to resume a number of public-facing duties. Forthcoming engagements will be adapted where necessary to minimize any risks to His Majesty's continued recovery. He will not participate in a full summer program."